Today, let's talk about a powerful business laptop that just might redefine the term portability. We're looking at Lenovo's ThinkPad E16, a 16-inch commercial powerhouse designed to tackle any task you throw at it, while maintaining an impressively lightweight design. Is it the perfect solution for modern professionals looking for flexibility and raw computing muscle? Lenovo identified a gap in the market, especially noticeable in larger commercial laptops, often clunky and awkward, with 17.3-inch displays dominating the conversation. The new ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 bridges this gap, offering a 16-inch screen, which not only provides more screen real estate, but also reduces overall size and weight compared to its 15.6-inch predecessor, the E15 Gen 4, without sacrificing portability. This Lenovo ThinkPad E16 has an impressive, portable design. It looks sleek, with a durable magnesium alloy top cover that exudes high-quality feel, reinforced by the precision-cut edges and smooth, beveled finish on the lid. The E16 weighs approximately 185 pounds, making it perfect for on-the-go work sessions. Its compactness and the ergonomic design also make it comfortable to carry around for extended periods. Lenovo's attention to detail is evident in the subtle curves that make the device easy to hold, even with a gloved hand, allowing users to comfortably type for hours. This is where our story truly begins, as the ThinkPad E16 offers more than just a pretty face. It packs serious horsepower. Lenovo has equipped it with the powerful AMD hexa-core Ryzen 5 7530U processor. This processor boasts impressive performance specifications, including 6 cores, 12 threads, a base clock speed of 2.0 GHz, and the capability to boost up to 4.5 GHz with its 16 MB cache memory. But that's not all. Lenovo also paired this beast of a processor with a whopping 40 GB DDR4 RAM, giving it the capacity to handle multiple resource-intensive tasks such as video editing, software development, and complex data analysis. And if you think that's impressive, just wait until you see the 1 TB PCI NVMe M.2 SSD that Lenovo included. It's lightning fast, delivering incredible read and write speeds that let you access your files and programs in seconds, regardless of how demanding your workflow is. So, how does this powerful combination of hardware behave in the real world? In my testing, the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor consistently outperformed its Intel counterpart, the i7-1165 G7, even when tackling CPU-intensive tasks. It easily handled multiple concurrent operations, like video conferencing, software installation, and high-priority work requests, all without any noticeable lag or performance decline. I also observed how the ThinkPad E16 excelled at multitasking, running multiple demanding software applications simultaneously without displaying any sluggishness. In addition to exceptional performance, the ThinkPad E16 also comes equipped with some innovative features to enhance productivity and user experience. Its high-quality 16-inch HD plus touchscreen display boasts impressive color accuracy, clarity, and brightness, making it ideal for presentations, video conferencing, and everyday use. Lenovo has also incorporated 2 powerful dual-function speakers at the bottom of the keyboard, delivering clear, detailed audio for immersive audio entertainment. Another notable feature of the ThinkPad E16 is its state-of-the-art fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard, providing seamless user authentication and easy typing in any lighting condition. I also appreciate Lenovo's attention to security and privacy, with features like an FHD webcam with a sliding shutter for added peace of mind and the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro with Copilot, a powerful tool for streamlining communication and collaboration. As any professional knows, connectivity is paramount in a business device. Lenovo has covered all bases with the ThinkPad E16, including Wi-Fi 6, a gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB A3, 2 ports, 1 USB-C 3.2 port, and an HDMI port, as well as an SD card reader. While it might not be the most feature-rich offering in its category, it has all the essentials for professionals on the go. When compared to its competitors, The ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 stands out with its powerful Ryzen 5 processor, generous memory and storage options, and sleek, well-designed body. While its closest rival, the Dell Inspiron 16 5000, offers a wider range of configurations and price options, Lenovo's offering outperforms in raw computing power and value. Additionally, if you prioritize portability, the ThinkPad E16 beats both its own predecessor and larger 17.3-inch models in design. After putting the ThinkPad E16 through its paces, I'm impressed by its incredible performance and versatile feature set. Lenovo has struck the perfect balance between style, substance, and value, making it a powerful, compact, and lightweight option perfect for professionals, creators, and business owners seeking an ultimate on-the-go work experience. If you need a portable powerhouse that's built to last, the ThinkPad E16 is an excellent choice. Trust Lenovo to provide you with the cutting-edge hardware and innovative solutions you need to excel in a fast-paced professional world.